So we've got a question on insurance,
Okay.
car insurance specifically. We have two residencies, one in Florida and one here. We just moved here 3 years ago, so I wouldn't say just, but we've been here 3 years. And I'm curious about how car insurance works if we get into an accident here, and we're still registered and licensed in Florida.
So you've been living here for how long?
3 years.
3 years? If you're driving a car that's registered and addressed in Florida with Florida insurance, and you get into a car accident here in Georgia, and then the insurance company checks and finds out that in the last 360 days, 270 of them have been here in Georgia, they could deny your claim.
Wait, how would they know?
Huh?
How would they know?
Ask your neighbors. Like, it's
Simple things they can find.
well. So okay, say you got into a car accident, you seriously injured somebody. They had $150,000 in medical bills, right? And your insurance company want to know, wait, why were you a Florida driver driving here in Atlanta, right? They go, oh, well, where's the car registered? Florida. Well, where do you live? Here's your address. Here's where your mail's going. Here's where your bills are. Where'd you file taxes? Where does your cell phone bill go? Where does all of your mail go? They'll ask you for copies of all of your receipts and bills. Where are you paying for gas? Where are you doing all of your things? Like,
So the simple things they'll find out pretty easily.
if they want to investigate, they will. Like you have to, when you get into it, like part of the terms of that contract with your insurance carrier is you have to cooperate with any claim that's involved, and they can collect whatever information that they want from you, right?
As like, oh, I'm just traveling through, blah, blah, blah.
Well, yeah, but
It's a very common thing where we're in this sense.
You can travel commonly. That's not a problem.